Hello everyone who all are watching this video today. I am Yash Kumar, a student of grade 12 from DPS Cyberbath School. Today I'm going to talk about jobs which will exist in future related to artificial intelligence. So many of you think that AI will cause unemployment, doesn't it? That's not the case. AI would eliminate 85 million jobs by 2025. Yes, that's true, but at the same time it will give rise to 97 million new jobs. That means addition of 12 million more jobs.
So here are some job opportunities which will exist in future and are going to be in very much demand. Essential skills to be required for these jobs are programming, SQL, data visualization and machine learning. So the first one I am going to talk about is data analyst. It is someone who collects, cleans and interprets data sets in order to answer a question or solve a problem. They can work in many industries including business, finance, criminal justice, science, medicine and government. Next one is AI assisted healthcare technician. Using telemedicine tools and in-home testing equipment thanks to an AI helping hand. Nurses will also be able to diagnose and treat more ailments, leaving doctors to support these technicians and handle the trickier cases directly. The next is digital tailor. Traditional crafts will never disappear, but most of them will get a digital update. These tailors will use cutting-edge sensing cubicles to take customers' measurements. The clothes will then be produced and finally the tailors will return to customers' home for a final fitting and a big reveal. Now, I am going to talk about the contribution of these jobs to the economical growth. PwC estimates that the AI deployment will add $15.7 trillion to global GDP by 2030. While AI can be good for growth, its benefit may not be evenly distributed. Now, I am going to talk about jobs that might exist in future. In fact, that 85% of the jobs that will exist in 2030 haven't even been invented yet, estimates the report, which was authored by Institute for the Future and a panel of 20 tech. The first one is commercial space pilot. This new industry will open up more opportunities for pilots to go into space. You will need excellent maths and science ability, particularly physics, a strong sense of responsibility and an ability to stay calm under pressure. The next one is, which is going to be very famous, is AI ethicist. An AI ethicist works across many disciplines of the organization towards having ethical and unbiased AI goals throughout the product lifecycle. The AI ethicist will directly inform corporate leadership and the board of directors.
Due to this new era of artificial intelligence, everything is going to be automated, because of which humans will not work hard physically. So we also have to maintain our physical and mental health. As I have mentioned earlier, 97 million new jobs will be created. In order to get the best out of it, we have to teach students about IT. We have to teach students about how to do competitive programming and coding. We can also teach students about new emerging technologies like blockchain, serverless computing, IoT, natural language processing, quantum computing, etc. Through all this, we can build great future for our next generation. Thank you.